Hello, everybody. So, I just wanted to tell everybody that Christmas is coming soon, and you better get right or you ain't gonna get no gifts. You is not gonna get no gifts from me. So, I just want to tell everybody, if you don't behave, no gifts for you. Okay? I want some food. I wonder where I can get some food. Hey, man. Hey, you know I can get some food there, man? Do you? You know I can get some food there, man? I'm kind of hungry up in here. You see my cheeks, man? They're starting to go down, man. I need some food in my stomach. Man, where my daddy at? He always at work. He don't never pick me up. Don't never take me out the chair. Always leave me in the chair. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting tired of sitting in that chair.